Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on our Leansim channel. Okay, so basically what we are going to do, and this is our first tutorial on plant simulation, right? You are already aware about all our tutorials on Flexsim simulation software, and we are really grateful to all of you and thankful to all of you for all your love you have shown to us for all of our tutorials and videos which are available on Leansimcorp channel. And this is a new thing just for you and your love, guys. We are starting plant simulation tutorials just like we did for Flexsim, from very small, very basics to advanced. Okay, so stay tuned with us till the end of this video, and it's going to be a fabulous journey of yours on Leansimcorp. Okay, so this first video on plant simulation, we are going to start with some of the introductions and understanding some of the basics, and we'll create our first simulation model in our plant simulation software, right? So now, before we start with, right, there is a concept known as process simulation, right? That also can be called as discrete event simulation. I've already explained what is DES simulation and stuff like that on the video of our first video on this channel. So just to summarize, right, whenever you want to analyze any process in your system on a virtual platform, okay, in a very minute levels or in a detail level, in the activity levels, like what is my if I just want to say, for example, analyze my operator, then I want to analyze my operator. What is the idle time? What was the time when he was in a traveling, was travel loaded, travel empty? What was the time spent for him to travel? All those stuffs very minutely in a virtual environment would be your discrete event simulation. And analyzing the process using this would be your process simulation. Okay, so where you could be analyzing all your parameters of your plant using this virtual powerful platform. Okay, and when we talk about plant simulation, it is a Siemens owned simulation software where you can do multiple stuff. So we are going to explore that, right? What stuffs we can do in plant simulation, right? So if you could look at, these are all of the tabs we have whenever in the plant simulation software. When you open in here, if you look into the toolbox, you're going to get all these different interfaces. The best thing what you're going to get in the Leansimcorp channel, is that you're going to get multiple simulation software tutorials coming up on the way. And I really feel blessed because of my dearly audience. I'm able to do that, and we will be continuing to bring the tutorials. So now, what is the best thing, that we can relate Flexsim with plantsim and multiple softwares which would be coming ahead on our channel, right? But till date, we have the second one, which is plantsim, and we can compare what is the difference between Flexsim and plantsim, and which wins, which is the best, what are the new capabilities you have here, what have you best in the Flexsim, and multiple things. So you would be able to compare, you would be able to visualize the differences between these two softwares when we do tutorials on them in parallel. So that's going to be the best thing you're going to observe on Leansimcorp channel. Okay, so if you could look at in the Flexsim, we have the toolbox here, and the interface is quite different. Here in the plantsim, it is quite detailed. Okay, if you look at, we have only in the top one, we have a model stuff here, then we have trees, connections, and all stuffs here. We have toolbox here for the object library and stuff. Then we have library. Okay, and the right side we had the properties window where you used to be able to see the properties of each of the source, processor, queue, and stuff like that. So now what we're going to do, we are just going to create a simple model in the plantsim by referencing the Flexsim models, right? Like what I'm saying is we have a source in Flexsim, right? We have a source in plantsim as well as. So I'm just dragging the source first. Okay. Now once we have source, we need to have a processor. Here is the station which is it been called. So I'm just pulling the station into the play now. Okay. So we have source, we have station, and we have the queue buffer, which is here a buffer in plantsim. Okay, so it is also having a drag and drop library just like we had in Flexsim, but the visualizations are different, right? Then we have a shortcut keys for connecting between these two in Flexsim. Here you need to have a port in here. You can connect this way rapidly and stuffs. Okay, then what we are going to do, these are input output connections as of center port connections. Whether are those there in plantsim, we are going to explore that, right? Because center port connection we had in Flexsim, whether we have it here, we're going to check it out. Now we have source, we have station, we have buffer. Okay, now let us understand what properties do we get and the each of this equipments of the station. Now if you could look at, you cannot just drag this and get a 3D view in here. Okay, this is the different thing you can see here. Okay, whereas in Flexsim you can directly, while building itself, you can just move it and look at the 3D visualization. I'm just closing this planning view so that now if you just look at, you're going to get this here. Okay, the 3D visualizations you will be getting when the planning view is off. Okay, so welcome to our website beawarechanel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Be channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our Be Aware channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointment. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also bought you personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you are building a wealth with a strong financial background. So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website behaviorchannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is overall high level journey for our behaviorchannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our behaviorchannel.com website daily, so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit our website behaviorchannel.com. So see you in the next video.